you ever wanted your whole class to work on the same folder or the same assignment in Odyssey, but it's almost impossible with the NWEA paths? Excuse me, the NWEA paths to get them to the exact same activities. So there is a way for you to create assignments for your students. You can go into courses and assignments. You can go to assignment builder, and then you're going to, if you want to search through Odyssey curriculum, it's already the default. You can select the subject you're looking for, the grade level you're looking for, and then you can choose the activities. You can also do this through Common Core. So if you want to look for a Common Core standard, I would click on Common Core. And then you can, it's still highlighted from what I did before, Math Grade 3. It's actually second grade, so I'll click on grade 2. And then if you know the standard that you're looking for, you can just go to that standard and click on it. And then in the middle, it's going to open up Level 2 Math Standard 2.G.2. And these are all the activities that they have to go along with that. If you're not sure what these symbols mean, you can go to the icon key and click on it and figure out what those mean. If you want to preview the activity, you can click on just the underlined word and the activity will come up in the middle for you to see what the students are looking at. This is actually a good way too if you want to pull this up on the smartboard and do this as a full class activity. Say you like this and you wanted your whole class to use it. This is how you would get into that activity. If you wanted all of these things, you could just select all of these activities that you want to give your entire class. Maybe you want all of them. Maybe you just want some of them. So I'm going to, once I select everything that I want, I have to choose Add Selected Tasks. Once I get here, it's just telling me that these are the order that they will be in. Up here, I want to give this folder a name. So we're going to call it, I don't know, I'll just call it the standard name for right now. And then you want to choose the order. Do you want the students to do it sequentially? That means that they have to complete one in order to get into number 2. In order to get this, they have to go in order. If you want them to self-select, then they can click around and do it in any order that they want. I suggest sequentially because it makes sense. The activities are built on each other sequentially, so best practice would be for the students to do them sequentially. Once you have given it a name and chosen the order, you can click on Complete Assignment. And from here, you're going to be asked some more questions. So you could give the assignment a description. You can make this available for just you or for your whole school, that all teachers in your school can use this assignment as well. And most of these things I just keep the same. Do I want to assign it to students now? Yes. So I click Next. Now I choose the class. I can choose the entire class, or I can open it up and just choose certain students I want to give this folder to. So I'm going to choose the entire class, and then I'm going to choose Finish. So now it's telling me that my assignment has been confirmed. This is the assignment's name. This is when it was created. And then these are all the students that received that assignment. Now if I log on as a student, I would see that folder come up. So if I was to log in as a student, let me just check the spelling. C-A-M. Okay. So I'm going to go back in and this time log in as a student. Hopefully I got that right. Okay, so now when the student logs in, here's their dashboard. When I go into math, you're going to see her NWA folders, which have the RIT score in the beginning, the subject, and then the date that they took the test. And then at the end, you're going to notice this new folder that I just created, 2.g.2, based on the Common Core standard. So it has all of those activities in it. So now every student in my class I gave this folder to. So if I wanted to, I can have everyone get out a laptop or go to the lab and tell everyone to go into math and find the folder with this name, and this is the folder I want you to work in. And you want to really emphasize best practice is to go in order to actually complete each assignment as you go through. So once they complete it, it will turn green, then the arrow will point to the quiz, it will get a green check. Then it will point to this activity. When it's complete, a green check. When all of the activities within the folder have been completed, the folder disappears from their dashboard. Okay? That would be best practice. So that is how you make an assignment for your entire class or just for some students. Thank you.